Pack, move, and unpack your furniture with extra care with our reliable, affordable services. Introducing 3 Movers Cheap, Beech Grove, local and long-distance movers near me. A long-distance relocation is complicated, and when performed by unprofessional movers, you risk property damage, lost valuables, and time and money loss. Hiring 3 movers will alleviate any inconveniences, and we've also taken every precaution to ensure a smooth transition. Hence, we can travel large distances because we collaborate with state and federal agencies responsible for relocation. We engage with only the most skilled movers. Our movers take great care with your possessions. Additionally, we use drivers with years of experience and valid licenses. Our moving vehicles adhere to the highest industry standards, and they're equipped with the compartments that safeguard your stuff during the journey. We have also completed the relevant registration and have the necessary licenses to transport your items without causing any damage. Additionally, we give a competent local moving service in Beech Grove, Indiana. Local relocations are often less costly than long-distance relocations. 3 Movers provides the most affordable local relocation available, and our hourly prices for relocating vary between $30 and $40 an hour. We are also familiar with all the city's routes and will arrive on time. Additionally, we will expeditiously relocate your positions. To guarantee your things are wholly protected, we have insurance coverage in place to cover risks associated with the moving process. In addition to local and long-distance moving, our Beech Grove moving business offers extra services from which to choose, which includes commercial moving, international moving, furniture moving, residential moving, military moving, as well as packing and carrying. So what are you waiting for? Request a free quote using our online request form.